All right, Captain Ron here. Fun little real estate fact. It never fails. Every time I get a listing ready, I have the sellers declutter, paint, trim, get the house ready for videos and pictures and everything else. Um, they always tell me, I wish I would have done this years ago, or I can't believe how amazing my home is. It never fails. And I guess my point of view is, even if you're not going to list, get your head in the mindset of, you know what, maybe we're going to list our home. Let's clean it and declutter it as if we're going to sell our home. You will be amazed how much you fall in love or back in love with your home. You're going to be like, this is amazing. You may want to list, call me, I'll help you sell it. But if you don't, that love and that cleanliness of declutter, paint, trim, do all the checklist chores as if you have to, because I always have my sellers scramble the last 2 weeks because they're like, we're ready to sell, let's go. Well, here's your checklist. So the next 2 weeks, they're going through, they get it amazing, and then they always come back and say, I wish we would have done this years ago. I absolutely love our home now. I've actually had one client not sell because they fell back in love with their home. Great. That's the whole point of this is your home is amazing. Let's get it ready as if you're going to sell it. If you're going to sell it, call me. Let's go. If you want the checklist of what we do to get our homes and listings ready, call me. I'll give you the checklist for free. Even if you don't sell for a year, 3, 5, it's amazing how unbelievably nice your home is once you go through that checklist. Yeah. Anyways, so mindset, get your home ready as if you're going to sell it. If you do want to sell it, call me. I'll give you the checklist. If you don't, you still want to make your house amazing or fall back in love with it or re-spruce it up, give me a call. I'll give you that checklist. 2, if you are selling, you're a real estate agent, this is no point of anything else but pictures, videos, drone, everything like that should be done with the listing package. So pictures and drone pictures, absolutely. But the one thing I think a lot of agents or listing agents are missing that you should have on every listing, doesn't matter the price point, every listing in mine will have a video walkthrough of the house. Simple as that. They'll have their own dedicated website with that, social media, everything like that. But that video walkthrough of the home is huge. So if your listing agent doesn't provide you with that, I don't care the price point because every listing deserves to have the video walkthrough. Call me and you will get that with our listing package. That's a no options kind of thing. That's just now the main requirement of our listings. Pictures, drones, and video walkthrough. Simple as that. So if your listing agent's not doing that, call me. I will make sure to do that. It helps on so many levels, and you know that because when you are yourself are Googling, having fun on Zillow, looking at all the other homes, you love to click that video walkthrough and watch the videos of the home, especially if you like it. If you don't, you're just sitting there clicking on the pictures. So standard practice with PNW Homes Group is pictures, drones, and video walkthroughs with our photographers to set you up for the best course to sell your home. All right, that's it. Captain Ron out. Clean that house. I hate checklists. Doing stuff. I mean, I love checklists. I hate doing chores as well, but it is awesome when you get it done because it's so satisfying and gratifying to see your home on that level. So if you want that checklist to get your home ready for sale, even if you're not selling, call me, Captain Ron, PNW Homes Group. Have a good Thursday. See you guys. Bye.